Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 GMC Acadia SLT all-wheel drive. Stock number B8776A. 90,000 miles and there's one owner. Local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Deep blue metallic in color. The Acadia is a very safe vehicle. 5-star overall government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7. Leather interior. Bucket seats in the middle row. Fixed skylight overhead with sunshade. Rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Behind the cover, nice clean look when not in use. And power liftgate for convenience. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily. Give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With additional underfloor storage. This SLT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy-to-read gauges, temperature and compass display in the dash, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable. Auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and that's where that backup camera display is. Home link transmitter for garage door opener and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Acadia has a 3.6 liter V6, 288 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of their tire tread left. For more information on this Acadia, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.